There are two completely different ways to run the same frontier Grok models without paying the $30 a month subscription, and almost every guide online only shows you one of them. One lives right inside the app you already have open. The other lives inside a developer console most casual users have never even opened, and it can be worth more than the subscription itself if you set it up correctly. Neither one requires a cracked account, a stolen login, or a coupon code from a site that has nothing to do with XAI. Both are built directly into the product on purpose by the company that makes it. The reason this works comes down to how XAI actually makes money right now. The free consumer tier keeps people inside the ecosystem and generates the usage data that trains future models, while the developer credits exist to get Grok embedded into as many third-party tools and workflows as possible before the subscription even becomes a consideration. Understanding that difference is what tells you which path fits what you're actually trying to do, instead of wasting time chasing the wrong one. Before we walk through both, hit like, drop a comment with which path you're going to try first, and subscribe so you catch it the moment XAI runs another trial window. Let's start with what's sitting on your phone or browser right now, because most people never actually check what the free tier includes before assuming they need to pay. Signing in with any X account gives you roughly 10 prompts every 2 hours, and that limit resets on a rolling basis rather than snapping back at midnight, so spacing requests out gets you more total usage across a day than firing them all at once. Auto mode on the free tier routes you through the fast version of the current flagship model, which handles normal question answering and everyday tasks perfectly well. What you lose without a subscription is everything built on top of that. Image and video generation through Grok Imagine has sat almost entirely behind the paywall since March of this year. Extended voice conversation and the larger persistent memory window aren't available, and there's no access to the multi-agent expert mode for automated multi-step tasks. So if your use case is genuinely just quick text answers spread across the day, the free tier alone might already cover you, and paying anything would be wasted money. If it doesn't cover you, the next move isn't a workaround, it's timing. XAI runs official trial windows tied to major model launches, not on some fixed recurring schedule, but consistently enough that checking before you pay is always worth doing first. When Grok 4 Heavy launched, XAI opened a 30-day free trial of the full SuperGrok tier, giving people the heavy model, a context window in the hundreds of thousands of tokens, and a multi-million token monthly allowance for research and coding work. Around that same launch window, X Premium subscribers were separately offered a shorter free trial specifically for SuperGrok, layered on top of a subscription many of them already had. Here's the part that actually matters if you're going to use one of these. Starting a trial requires a card or a linked payment method on file, and every one of these auto-renews into a full paid subscription the moment the trial window closes, with SuperGrok Heavy renewing at $300 a month if you forget to cancel. Set a reminder for a day or two before the trial ends, not the day it ends, because payment processing doesn't always respect your exact timing, and getting that refunded after the fact is a much worse use of your time than canceling on schedule. To actually catch one of these when it opens, check the billing section inside the app itself rather than trusting a screenshot from months ago claiming a trial is currently live, since availability shifts constantly and outdated posts are exactly what most bad advice online is built on. Now here's the path almost nobody covers properly, and it can genuinely outlast a subscription if you use it right. Head to XAI's developer console, not a third-party clone claiming to offer the same thing, the real console at XAI's own domain. Create an account and verify your phone number, which exists purely to confirm you're a real person rather than a script farming free credits. And the moment that's done, $25 in API credit lands in your account instantly. No card required for that initial amount. That's not consumer chat access, it's raw API access to the same underlying models, priced per token rather than as a flat monthly fee. If you want more than that starting amount, there's an opt-in data sharing program inside the console that lets XAI use your API usage to improve their models in exchange for up to $150 in credit every single month, renewing automatically as long as you stay opted in. That's not a one-time bonus. That's a recurring allowance that, used efficiently, comfortably outpaces what the $30 consumer subscription gives you. The catch is that raw API access doesn't come with a chat interface built in. It comes with an API key, a string of characters you paste into something else that knows how to talk to it. There are free open-source chat interfaces built specifically to accept an API key like this and give you a clean conversational front end, so you get something that looks and feels like a subscription chat app running entirely on credit you didn't pay a subscription fee for. Watch your usage inside the console's dashboard as you go, because unlike a flat monthly subscription, API pricing scales with how much you actually send and receive, and a handful of long, heavy conversations can burn through that allowance faster than casual daily use would. Before you go looking for either of these yourself, here's the warning, and it's the same pattern that shows up around every AI subscription right now. Any site advertising a SuperGrok free generator, a universal promo code, or a login sharing service is not affiliated with XAI in any way, and the ones asking you to enter your X username and password to activate free access are after your account, not offering you a discount. The real developer console only ever asks for a phone number to verify you're human, never your existing account credentials. And the real trial only ever runs through XAI's own billing page, never through a third-party checkout. If a page asks for your password before showing you anything else, that's the entire scam. Close it. Here's the tip that actually gets the most value out of the developer path specifically, and it's the difference between people who set this up once and quietly keep using it for months versus people who burn through $25 in a weekend and give up. Don't route every single request through the largest, most expensive model available by default. The console lets you pick which model tier handles each request, and routing routine questions to a lighter, cheaper option while saving the heaviest model for the tasks that genuinely need deep reasoning is what makes that monthly credit allowance actually stretch across weeks instead of days. I test new AI deals every week. If a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. Subscribe, because the next video walks through setting up that open-source chat interface step by step, connecting it to your own API key, and configuring it so routine requests automatically fall back to the cheaper model without you having to think about it every single time.